Let's add one more feature to this application, a button which allows the user to clear all of their reminders at one go. Let's approach the Redux logic first. Remember that whenever we add new functionality to our Redux application, we approach it in 3 steps. For the first step, let's add a new constant to the constants.js file. We're going to export a new constant called clear reminders and set it equal to clear reminders. Now let's go to our actions, index.js, and export a new action creator called clear reminders. Export const clear reminders. Make sure we have an arrow function defined. And with this on, we won't need to pass any data. Let's just return an action or plain JavaScript object with the type clear reminders. Now, of course, we need to make sure that we imported clear reminders from our constant file. So let's add clear reminders from constants, and then we'll return an object whose type is clear reminders. Clear reminders. Now we'll have to amend our reminders reducer. Head to index.js of reducers. Let's import clear reminders first of all, and then we'll amend our reducer to handle one more case, clear reminders. We'll set reminders to an empty array, and then we'll bake our cookie once more with our reminders flag and reminders, so that way it gets stored whenever we clear reminders. And then we need to return those reminders. Great. Let's save and add the JSX button that will call our clear reminders action creator. Head to app.jsx, head to the render function, and after this .render reminders, we'll add a new div element. Its class name will be btn and button danger, which sets the color to red. And on click, we'll simply call this .props .clear reminders. And in the text, we'll simply write clear reminders. Now before this works, we need to make sure we bind this action creator to our props, so let's add it next to delete reminder at the bottom of our connect function. Clear reminders. And at the top, I'm going to check if we actually imported clear reminders from actions, and we haven't yet, so let's go ahead and import clear reminders from actions. Let's save and test it out. So there's our new clear reminders button. Let's say I have to go grocery shopping, of course, on the 18th, 12 p.m. So that's one reminder. And let's say I have to go fishing with Tom. I don't know who Tom is, but it seems like he wants to go fishing. So let's say we're going to do that on the 31st. And one last thing, let's say I have to visit the dentist, Ron. And let's go ahead and clear the reminders now. And there they're all gone. And as I reload, no more reminders. Magnificent. Everything is working, and we just completed our first Redux application. Congratulations! I hope this helps shed some light on the sometimes complex looking library of Redux. It really doesn't feel too complicated when you remember to think about it in the 3 steps of having a constant, an action with an action creator, and a reducer, all to store our one giant state object. We learned so much more about React, learned some new tricks, and of course all about the Redux library when building Reminder Pro. There's a summary and challenges portion next, and coming up, we have a whole other Redux application to work through, and this time it will include authentication on a server. So can't wait to get started coding with you there.